Adding and configuring hosted seats. Start by navigating to Call Routing, and then click on Seat Setup. Click the plus in the right-hand corner to start adding a new seat. Firstly, you will need to set the ID of the seat. If needed, you also have the option to bulk add at this stage. Next, we will need to set a name for identification purposes. You are required to set the EMS location and caller ID. EMS must relate to the specific location of the seat in case emergency services are needed. In this step, you have the option to enable a voicemail mailbox for the new extension. Next, configure the outbound time restrictions followed by setting your outbound calling restrictions. These steps work on an opt-in basis, so be sure to tick the options you wish to use. Finally, confirm you are happy to add the seat. You have now successfully added a new seat to your control panel. Please remember to subscribe, like, and turn notifications on for future uploads. For any queries or further assistance, please contact support via phone on 01603 90 40 90 or via email at support@voicehost.co.uk.